It's one of the reasons why I am so bullish on crypto, on Bitcoin, because it is decentralized and not controllable.
Texas Senator Ted Cruz has once again shown support for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been gaining popularity among the ruling class, and more politicians are coming out in support of it. The American politician serving as the junior United States Senator for Texas, Ted Cruz, said he is a Bitcoin supporter because the authorities cannot control it. He opined that China imposed its total crypto ban for the same reason. In addition, he opposed Justin Trudeau's Emergency Act, by which the Canadian government froze the assets of the Freedom Convoy protesters. The Republican who holds a bullish stand on the digital asset has revealed why he supports the cryptocurrency. In a recent talk, Cruz laments issues with the government control over the financial property of citizens, praising Bitcoin for deterring this. In his talk, U.S. Senator Ted Cruz goes into detail about why he supports Bitcoin. Pointing to the recent issues in Canada, he explains that control is the major reason behind this support. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and the government had been freezing the accounts belonging to the truckers, protesters, and supporters, even going as far as to try to freeze Bitcoin accounts of these protesters and supporters. Welcome to Savvy Finance. Thanks for all your support as we looked into Ted Cruz's spectacular reasons why he remains so bullish on Bitcoin. Cruz explained that things need to be decentralized and broken apart. Further, that this is one of the reasons why he is so bullish on Bitcoin. The fact that the digital asset cannot be controlled by any entity or government makes the argument for itself. It's one of the reasons why I'm so bullish on crypto, on Bitcoin, because it is decentralized and not controllable, Cruz said. The senator explained that the events that took place over the past week in Canada were a fine representation of why Bitcoin is needed. Cruz goes ahead to read the scathing letter sent by self-custody software provider Nunchuk to the Ontario Superior Court of Justice, explaining that they in fact could not freeze anyone's crypto wallets as directed by the latter. The senator praised the response as spectacular.
It's one of the reasons why I am so bullish on crypto, on Bitcoin, because it is decentralized and not controllable. And let me give a fantastic example. So Justin Trudeau said, I don't like me some truckers, so we're going to seize your assets. So then the court went to try to seize the crypto that was being given to the truckers. And I don't know how many of y'all saw a letter that I actually want to read from. It's a letter from a company, Bitcoin company called Nunchuk. Here's part of the letter. Dear Ontario Superior Court of Justice, our software is free. We do not collect any user identification information beyond email addresses. We also do not hold any keys. Therefore, we cannot freeze our users' accounts. We cannot prevent them from being moved. We do not have the knowledge of, quote, the existence, nature, value, and location of our users' assets. This is by design. Please look up how self-custody and private keys work. When the Canadian dollar becomes worthless, we will be here to serve you too. That is spectacular.
Continuing on, Cruz said that this decentralization of Bitcoin is why China had banned the digital asset in the country. The reason behind this is that the government cannot control it, the senator said. He further said that this is the same reason why Senator Elizabeth Warren is so against the cryptocurrency, because they cannot control it. Warren hates Bitcoin. The Chinese government and Elizabeth Warren, they both want to control you, your assets, your savings, your speech, your life, your children. Every decision they want to control. And so we need to break up the means of controlling the citizenry.
Like, God bless you saying to the government, go jump in a lake. That's how our country was founded. That is powerful. By the way, that is also why China recently banned Bitcoin, because they can't control it, which is the exact same reason Elizabeth Warren hates Bitcoin. The Chinese communists and Elizabeth Warren, they both want to control you. Your assets, your savings, your speech, your life, your children, every decision they want to control. And so we need to break up the means of controlling the citizenry.
Other American politicians who own Bitcoin. A recent report indicates that 8 top American lawmakers had traded cryptocurrencies over the past years. Ted Cruz is one of them. Another prominent hodler is Senator Cynthia Lummis. Apart from purchasing between $50,000 and $100,000 in 2021, she bought 5 Bitcoin in 2013. The asset's price back then stood at $300. Pat Toomey, Mark Green, Michael Waltz, Michael O'Call, Barry Moore and Marie Newman are the other politicians who were part of the digital asset ecosystem last year. What do you make of Ted Cruz's assertion on Bitcoin? Here at Savvy Finance, we believe that Bitcoin is the only decentralized crypto asset that can guide agent government overreach, and that's why we will continue to stack Bitcoin at every opportunity we get. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to smash the like button and stay savvy till our next video.